KJ, what are you doing? You're supposed to put that in a cup. What are you doing? Are you supposed to drink out of the bottle? KJ, aren't you supposed to pour that in a cup?